A chiropractic treatment should be one of the most comfortable and painless treatments that you could receive without surgery or medication. With the exception of perhaps some initial soreness with the first couple of treatments, nothing should ever actually hurt. In fact, the soreness would be equivalent to someone working out for the first time in a year or so, and most people will never even experience that. It's easily managed at home with some topical cream or an ice or heat pack, and you'll typically get over it pretty quickly. So call us today and get back into action tomorrow.